Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having multiple news and most likely a couple of high impact news that is at 2:30 p.m., 6 p.m. and the medium impact news at 7:15 p.m. So be cautious around these timings since it could be a high spread and high volatile timing. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the chart and I'll be directly jumping to this part since other parts are irrelevant right now. So we are working here with this part over here. So what do we have is the price had swept the high of the previous month and there is nothing more clear into it. So let's move to the weeklies now. So now this is the weekly chart and what do we have is, as we had anticipated, the price moved into the upside direction, and those who had thoroughly seen the video might have capitated on this particular move. So yeah, we were having a high of the previous month, the price swept that high and currently respecting it, and we have swept the high of the previous week too, and we have not yet broken the low of the previous week. So that could be a bullish impact into the market. So I'm expecting the market to move into the upside direction if we are going to hold this level. So let's move to the dailies to see what is happening into the smaller time frames. So now this is the daily chart and we can see that the price had left this FVG. That means the bearish pressure into the market is quite high and we have yet not mitigated it. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction from this week either way. If not, most likely we are going to see a flip zone from here. Let's mark it like this. Yeah. So this is the level we are having right now. We have not yet broken this high. So let's move to the 4 hours directly. So into the 4 hours, we can clearly see that there was a hard close from this level and the price is currently respecting this supply zone and the price is moving into the downward direction. So there is nothing yet clear where to enter and where to trade. So let's move to the 1 hours for a precise picture. So into the 1 hour, what do we have is we were having this strong low being established by the market. And this leg might be the 50% of this leg could be a reason for the reaction. But currently what do we have here is that we were having this levels and we are having this unmitigated FVG into the market. So I'll be marking it like this. Okay. Which is in the confluence of the higher time frame POI. So yeah, currently what I'm expecting that the market is going to reach this level. So most likely if we are going to reach this level and have a reaction into the upside direction, we are going to take the high of Asia or maybe react to the 50% of it. But currently nothing is much clear. So let's move to the 30 minutes. So this is the 30-minute chart and we are having a huge bearish momentum over here. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly. So into the 15-minute chart, what do we have is we were having this equal lows. So most likely the price is moving into the downward direction and will continue its journey till this FVG. If we are going to break this FVG, I'll be waiting for the reaction into this level, else we are going to form a flip zone and the price is going to shatter into the downward direction. So for now, what is the trading plan I have is I'll be waiting for the price to at least reach this range. That is the FVG of the 1 hour, I guess. So the FVG of 1 hour, and if we are going to see a reaction from this zone, then I'll be happy to trade into the upside direction. Else, I'll be bearish into the market till 50% of the higher time frames POI. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.